Hello guys, this is Carlos Mejia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a color-coded floor plan inside of Revit. Now as you can see here, I have a floor plan. Everything has been done, and what I'm going to do is start creating rooms. And what I mean by that is, you go into architecture and you see this icon for room. And so you can see I've already created all these different rooms. So you just have to hover over it and click. Now, if I select the room like I did here and we go to the properties bar, we can see I can change the name. So I'll change it to main reception. So it's there. But what's important is changing the department. In this case, I call them support areas. Now, I want to hide the title. As you can see, all of my spaces have this X going through them. That means I've created rooms this way. Once you've done that for all of your spaces, and you filled in the department as well as the name, we go to annotate, color fill legend. We'll just drop this to the side. We select it, we go to edit scheme. Now make sure your category is changed to rooms, and then we'll select department. So you can see Revit is grabbing all the different departments I've created and assigning a color to them. If you don't like a certain color, you can go here and choose your own. Also, if you do that by name, you'll get all of the different rooms you have. But we'll do it by department. Press OK. Now, all of our floor plan has different color, and this legend here tells you which color represents what department. That's it. That's how you create a color-coded floor plan in Revit. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.